everyone, I'm Jen Sletton, a registered dietitian, and this is the last video in the 6-week series intended to help you protect your immune system and continue to reach your healthy weight and fitness goals along the way. In this week 6 video, I'm going to be talking about how to stay connected socially, which is highly important for our mental health, and then a segment on goal setting. I'll guide you through how to make goals that will have the biggest impact on your health. You'll want to create goals in a way that can really make a difference in regards to your success. So first, the mental health piece. With the COVID-19 situation, even though social distancing practices have been put into place, we're still generally wired to connect with others. This allows us to give each other encouragement and support, exchange ideas, and can make life less monotonous from feeling isolated. Connecting with others, maintaining your support system, and reaching out to help others in your community typically reduces negative mood and stress while improving your levels of happiness, your immune system, and your longevity. Some of you may have already implemented the good ways to keep in touch with your family, friends, and community. But if you need ideas to be more intentional during this time, you could send a card or write a letter. Of course, emailing or texting to check in on each other is a kind gesture as well. Learning new technology to connect through your phone or computer can seem challenging for some at first, but we're all learning, so don't be intimidated by the technology. Find ways to virtually meet with groups you used to meet with in person, or spend some time looking into new groups with similar interests or into healthy communities who are supporting and encouraging each other. Just a wave or a smile towards others, even with a mask, can boost both parties' good mood brain chemicals. And support your local businesses by recommending them on social media or buying their gift cards for later use. When it comes to accomplishing goals, it's important to have a process and action plan in place, such as this SMART goals model. SMART, S.M.A.R.T, is an acronym used as a guide in goal setting. This acronym encourages us to get specific, which improves our chances of being successful with the goals that we want to achieve. So S represents being as specific as you can with your goal. Then try to add in a measurable piece to your goals. Also ask yourself, is your goal realistic? If not, change it to make it more achievable. Make sure to choose a goal that's relevant, meaning it will definitely have an impact on your long-term health goal. So for example, if you want to lose 10 pounds, choosing a goal that tackles the donuts that you're eating 3 times a week will have more impact than reducing your coffee intake. So a goal to create could be, I will limit donuts to 1 every other week. So this goal is specific, measurable, achievable, and very relevant. Next, to make this goal time-bound, add, I will limit donuts to 1 every other week for the next 30 days. Being able to write out the details for a goal is a useful tool to help visualize and cement it in our minds. Writing your goals down, actually taking your pen to your paper, proves to be more successful than just thinking about a goal in your head. From there, we can start developing a concrete action plan 1 step at a time. Focusing on too many things at once can make everything look overwhelming. Ideally, you'll want to determine 2 to 4 health goals to zero in on. A good place for us to start is to reflect on the past several weeks to see what goals have been most impactful for you during this 6-week series. There are a few things to ask yourself. What healthy behaviors are working well for you? What could you learn more about on the health front? What are your barriers or challenges? And what can you do today to overcome those barriers or challenges? Would some form of accountability be helpful for you? If yes, there are some ideas to keep you on track. Food journaling can be a great way to identify trends or create aha moments for you, which can lead to change. Meeting with a dietitian or a trainer at Fluid Health and Fitness can be helpful with accountability as well. Let's go through this goal setting exercise together. You can pause this video and head to the Nutrition Learning Library on the Fluid Health and Fitness website and print out the week 6 goal setting worksheet. Then come back and we'll look at how you can be successful moving forward. So these are all the goals and topics covered over the past 6 weeks. They were designed specifically to protect your immune system and help you reach your healthy weight and fitness goals. Go through this summary and then choose 2 to 4 overall goals to continue to focus on. As I mentioned, choosing too many can be overwhelming, where just choosing a few can really make change happen. As you go through this worksheet, check off what you've already accomplished and circle the numbers of those that you may want to continue to zero in on or start new. In the end, you'll choose 2 to 4 goals. So first, looking at the summary of the mental health goals, have you determined your stress level from week 1? And do you have signs of high stress? If you do, what are your best mental health strategies? Looking at the mental health section here, circle anything that you might want to make into a goal. Maybe there's a goal from today's video around connecting or serving others. Moving on to the nutrition health goals, do the same for this section on your worksheet. What sticks out the most for you to address and turn into a nutrition goal? Now looking at the physical health goals, do the same for this section as well. Have you completed your Core 6 assessment? And have you explored how to use the HRV monitoring for your health? Do you want to make specific cardio goals? If so, use this worksheet to really zero in. Now pick 2 to 4 areas and create goal sentences that will give you the most impact for reaching your goal. Create the wording so that it reflects that S.M.A.R.T acronym. And then you can email your goals to the dietitian or a movement specialist at Fluid or even a friend. Sharing it with someone will definitely improve your intentions. So this is how it will look on that worksheet goal sheet listed out for you. Since we couldn't meet in person with you during the COVID-19 timeframe, we wanted you to still be able to move forward in a positive way towards your health goals. This series is a great jump start, but know that you can reach us at Fluid Health and Fitness for a more personalized virtual meeting. Trainers and dietitians are looking forward to individualizing plans just for you. And hopefully, soon meeting in person will be an option as well. Great spending these weeks with you. See you again soon.